Hi guys, this is Katie Beth Ritz, and this is the first video in my series of Gimp tutorials. Now Gimp is a photo editing software that it's free to use, and it's actually quite simple once you understand it. This video is first I'm going to show you how to get Gimp. So you're going to go to gimp.org. You can also click the link below this video, and this will bring you to the Gimp official website. As you can see right here, there's a download button, and you're going to click on that download button, and then if you are running Windows XP, the Windows XP with the pack at least 3, which if you're running Windows XP and you update regularly, then you're going to be running that. You're going to want to use this link right here that I've highlighted. Now you can use either HTTP or FTP. I'm going to click on the HTTP, and as you can see, it has started the download over here. Now once the download is complete, you're going to click on it, and this will open your installer. And the installer pretty much works like all your other wizards, and that will allow you to install Gimp. It's pretty much self-explanatory, so we're going to go ahead and skip ahead. Okay, since I run Windows 8, I am going to go over here and open Gimp from my Start window. It's right here, right? As you can see, it's right here. But if you are running Windows XP, Windows Vista, or Windows 7, it's probably going to be over here in your desktop icons. Just find the one that says Gimp. It's going to have a picture of this little fox bird animal thing. I'm not real positive what it is. And so this is what you're going to see when you first open your Gimp. Sometimes loading your Gimp may take a while, and it may say program not responding, because if you have a lot of fonts installed on your computer, then it's going to create your Gimp and it's going to make it longer to load, because Gimp has to load all these different fonts. So this is our Gimp right here, and we're going to go ahead and open a photo. You're going to go ahead and select File, and then go down here to Open. And then you're going to click on any of these little things right here to find your photo. If your photo is located in Downloads, then you're going to click this little file right here with your name on it, and then click Downloads. Double click this, and this will bring you to your downloads. The photo that I will be using is this one right here. This is a picture of my niece. Sometimes this little box right here will pop up. If the photo has been converted usually this happens if it's been uploaded to Facebook or Twitter, then you're going to have to convert it back to RGB, which stands for red, green, blue, and that's what Gimp works with. So you just have to click Convert. It does not hurt your picture or anything, it just allows you to go in here and work with it. Okay, then for the rest of this video, we're going to be going over some of the tools that are available in Gimp. Okay, this tool right here is a rectangular select. This allows you to select, well, large sections in rectangles. Lots and lots of rectangles. If you want to add more rectangles, you just hit the Shift. And you can add 3 or 4 here. And if you want to not select any of them or deselect some, you hit the Control key, and then they all go away. This is your ellipse select tool. It's basically the same concept as the rectangle, only in a circle. Now this right here is your free select tool. You will be using this quite a bit in your photo editing. A free select tool allows you to select things that are not in a particular shape. Like as you can see right here, I'm going to select my niece's entire face, and this allows us to select this part right here even though it's not in either a rectangle or a circle. This right here is called a fuzzy select tool. This allows you to select based on color. The difference between this and your massive color select, which we are going to see a little bit later, is this particular color select is only colors that are touching what you're clicking on. So if I wanted to select the purple right here on her thing, but I did not want the purple of the other figures that are in the background, then I would use this fuzzy select tool. And this would allow me to select all the little purple in her jacket, just keeping the shift key pushed down and spam clicking basically into the purple, because there's going to be a whole lot of different shades of purple here. And this allows me to select her jacket without selecting any of the other purples in here in the background. This is a select by color tool. This is the other version of select by color. If you click here, you will see that it's going to select all parts of this image that are in that color. So if you wanted all of their jackets highlighted, including the ones in the background, then you would use this. The problem with this tool is going to be that it often selects parts that you're not wanting. It just depends on what you're using it for. This is your color picker. This is if you want a particular color for, we'll use this a little bit later and you'll see what it's mainly used for, but if you want a color in this picture, then you can just click on any part of it. As you can see, your color is going to show right here. This is the exact color that it is using, and pretty much this will help us later on. Okay, this is your zoom tool. This allows us to zoom in as close as we want on the photo. To zoom, you can also hit the Control key and scroll in and out on your mouse wheel. This is your move tool. This will come into play whenever we do layers in the next video. This allows you to move the layer or move the picture wherever you would like. This right here is your crop. It allows you to crop a photo. We don't want to crop this one, but this is a rotate tool. If you're selecting something right here, as you can see, you're only going to be able to rotate what you're selected. So if you want to rotate the whole image, you're going to go over into Select and click on None. And then you can sit here and rotate the whole image. This right here is your scale tool. This allows you to scale an image back to where it is smaller. This right here is your flip tool. This allows you to reverse an image back. If you don't like the direction your image is facing, you can flip it the other way. This allows text. This is a bucket fill. This one pretty much works like paint. This is your pencil. Here's your brush, your eraser. Now I will warn you that in an image, it will not just erase whatever you just painted. It will also erase the background. This is an airbrush. This tool is not really suggested except for people who have a touchpad. This right here is a clone tool. This is a healing tool. This is another type of clone tool, and this is a smudge tool. Those will come into use later, and I will explain them better at that time. So this is the end of video 1, and I hope you enjoyed this. Next video, we will be doing some edits to this photo right here, just showing you how to remove dark lights and such as that. Please come back next time. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed it.